Hey, it is Troy Stavros. Just a quick video to talk about how to make a winning offer on a home here in Knoxville or anywhere for that matter. Just kind of article that I wrote, just kind of go over the main points of it and just discuss a couple things within it. Number one reason and number one way to make a good offer is to listen to your real estate advisor. It can be a very emotional time when you are buying a home, but just remember that your real estate advisor, your realtor, us here at Doorbell Real Estate or your realtor anywhere, is in the market every day. So we are seeing things happen in real time. You know, on a daily basis, we are going through negotiations, so we know what it takes to make a winning offer. So definitely listen to your real estate advisor, take their advice, listen to their guidance, and then make an informed decision. There's a quote here that just says, "Remember to let your home buying team guide you on your journey, not your emotions. Their support and expertise will keep you from compromising on your must-haves and your future financial stability." It can be emotional both ways. It can be emotional when you're making an offer and not wanting to feel like you're taken advantage of. It can also be emotional in that you get emotionally tied to a property and maybe you're going to make a decision and make an offer on something that isn't exactly what you want and which isn't right for you, or maybe it's more than you should be spending. So definitely talk to your agent. Number two, kind of going along with those lines, is understand your finances. Having a complete understanding of your budget and how much house you can afford is essential. The best way to know this is to get a pre-approval and do that early in the home buying process. Stats say only 44% of today's prospective buyers are planning to apply for a pre-approval, so you need to take this step so you stand out from the crowd. In today's day and age, most sellers aren't even looking at an offer if it doesn't come with a pre-approval. So do yourself a favor and get that done early in the process. Next, number three, be prepared to move quickly. This says, according to the latest Realtor Confidence Index from the National Association of Realtors, the average property sold today receives 3.7 offers and is on the market for just 21 days. These are both the results of today's competitive market, showing how important it is to stay agile and alert in your search. As soon as you find the right home for your needs, be prepared to submit an offer as quickly as possible. And when that says 21 days, that's talking about an average and more often than not, total time. In the Knoxville market right now, especially in competitive price ranges, basically anything under $300,000 and sometimes even above that, houses are going under contract the same day or the next day with multiple offers. So you got to get in quick and you have to get in with a good competitive offer. Number four, make a fair offer. It's only natural to want the best deal you can get on a home. However, Freddie Mac also warns that submitting an offer that's too low can lead sellers to doubt how serious you are as a buyer. Don't make an offer that will be tossed out as soon as it's received. The expertise your agent brings to this part of the process will help you stay competitive. Quote is, your agent will work with you to make an informed offer based on the market value of the home, the condition of the home, and recent home sales in the area. That's right. We'll pull comps for you so you know what a fair price is for the house. But also in this market, keep in mind, homes are selling for over list price because there's multiple offers happening. So if you're looking at your pricing and your pre-approval amount, it's probably better to be looking a little bit under that so you leave yourself some room to be able to offer above list price, because in today's day and age, that's really the only way you're getting under contract. Okay, number five, stay flexible in negotiations. After submitting an offer, the seller may accept it, they may reject it, or counter it with their own changes. In a competitive market, it's important to stay nimble throughout the negotiation process. You can strengthen your position with an offer that includes flexible move-in dates, a higher price, minimal contingencies, which are conditions that you set that the seller must meet for the purchase to be finalized. Freddie Mac explains that there are, however, certain contingencies you don't want to forgo. They say, resist the temptation to waive the inspection contingency. especially in a hot market or if the home is being sold as is, which means the seller won't pay for any repairs. Without an inspection contingency, you could be stuck with a contract on a house that you cannot afford to fix. And that is true. You might be okay with no repairs, but having an inspection contingency at least gives you the opportunity to have the home inspected to make sure there's no major issues so that you can accept the house knowing you're not going to have any huge repairs waiting for you after you buy the house. Bottom line, today's competitive market makes it more important than ever to make a strong offer on a home. Let's connect. Make sure you rise to the top along the way. All right. Hope you're having a great day. If you have any questions, as always, reach out to me and we will talk to you soon. We here at Doorbell Real Estate are privileged to be able to serve you.